In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an extra page in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. In this example, I've got 2 pages and I want to get rid of this extra second page. To help us identify what the problem could be, I'm going to use the Show and Hide tool. Click Home, then select the backwards P. This has already identified what the problem could be. There's a page break. To get rid of that page break, select the top of your extra page and hit Backspace. And that should remove the extra page. In some cases, that won't be enough to get rid of that page. Make sure you click on the backwards P, the Show and Hide tool again. This time, if you're like me, you will notice there's a section break. If I try to use Backspace at the top of the extra page, this won't work. So how do I get rid of a section break? There are 2 methods in which to get rid of a section break. The first method requires you to select at the top of your extra page and hit Backspace. You'll notice when I hit Backspace, the ruler at the top moves to the left. Watch as I do this. This now positions the cursor before the section break. And all you have to do now is hit Delete on your keyboard. Of course, you don't need to do this. You can simply select on the left of the section break and hit Delete, and that does the same job. You actually don't even need the Show and Hide tool on. You simply select the top of your extra page, hit Backspace, the ruler's moved over, then hit Delete, and that will do the same job. In this example, I've created a table in page 1, it's moved over to page 2, but it's created an extra page. I'm going to tell you now that this is not the table's fault. Most likely, you have a page break or a section break in your document. Like before, we can diagnose this by clicking on the Show and Hide tool, and you can see there's a section break underneath that table. So using the methods that we've already used before, we can select left of the section break and hit Delete, and that will get rid of your extra page. Similar to before, we don't even need our Show and Hide tool on. We can turn it off and we can go to the top of our extra page, hit Backspace, the ruler moves over to the second page, and then we just hit Delete on our keyboard. And that'll also get rid of that extra page. The key takeaways are, in order to get rid of an extra page in your document, it's most likely 2 things: a page break and a section break. To get rid of a page break, we hit Backspace twice on our keyboard. However, to get rid of a section break, we hit Backspace followed by Delete. If this video helped you, then please hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you learn more about deleting pages in Word, how to remove section breaks and page breaks, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.